Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back today to share the newest dyes that I received from coco&reno for the month of October, and they came in this beautiful satin green pouch with little ruffles on the edges. So cute. I could definitely see if you wanted to reuse these, you can. I thought of Christmas right away when I saw this, but I probably won't. I'm just keeping them all in the little pouch that they come in. So cute. So love that. And then this month's set is called Thankful, and they are fall themed dyes. Really cute. So I'll go through them. There's this little pumpkin here, and it says I Heart Fall. When it's cut out, this little rabbit. So cute. Another pumpkin with little hearts down the middle. And then there's these little acorns. I think they're both acorns. Definitely fall, though. And a little apple and a pear. Excuse me. I'm a little congested, so I'm sorry if I sound kind of funny, but I wanted to do this video and share. So this little heart, which would be super cute for Valentine's Day or anything really. A little accent, so cute, cut out. This one says Gather, and I love the font and the design of this one. I think it's probably my favorite of the whole collection. So cute. And then this one here, on the inside of the leaf, it says Thankful. And this other leaf here says Autumn down the center. So you get quite a few dyes. Really cute. And I've got some that I didn't use on projects just to share what they look like. There's this little pumpkin with the hearts and the glitter gold paper. And then on a lot of these projects, I thought to cut 4 layers in the same pattern paper, and then just put them together and stitch down the center, and then you fold it up. I've seen this done, you know, a lot, but I just love the look of this. And then it creates like a little 3D embellishment for your projects. So there's that one. And then this little bunny, I thought he's so cute. Haven't used him on anything yet, but I just did 2 layers. This cream color cardstock I cut out in the 110 pound cardstock paper, and it does cut all the way through and you can pop out the pieces, but I wanted to leave them in and just layer this other piece on top, so it works well with the thicker cardstock if you don't want to poke the pieces through and you want another layer. So like I said, it will cut through that, and it cuts all the way through, as you can see, but they don't just pop out as easily as the thinner paper. So there's that with the cute little heart. And yes, I added little foam dots underneath the heart. So there's that little bunny. And then let me see. So I created some bag toppers with the dye I had in my stash. The base dye is one that I had in my stash. And I added the Gather that's cut out in the glitter paper, so pretty. And then one of the little layered acorn pieces with the hearts and some little gold hearts as embellishments there. So there's one, and then I did another one, and this is what I wanted to do with both, but only some of the chocolate made it made it through. I have to go buy another pack of these nuggets. They're Hershey's Nuggets, and then they're just covered with pattern paper. And this is the Thankful Heart, I think it is, from Recollections from Michaels, that I used on all these projects. And then, so here's another similar bag topper, just using the pumpkin that I layered up the same way, and the same little Gather die cut there. And then I made some pillow boxes, and I haven't attached these because I haven't put anything in the pillow boxes yet. So I just made the pillow boxes using another die that I have in my stash, and then added some gold gold glittery tulle, tied a bow, and then once I do fill it and I'm ready to gift it, I'm going to attach this little tag that I made using that beautiful leaf that says Autumn, and another one of the little acorn dies popped up, and then just some bling. So I thought that was really pretty. And then I made another one, pretty much the same thing. And then this tag is just using the other leaf that says Thankful. I don't know if you can see that, with a little heart at the end, and another little embellishment piece I made with the dies and some more little bling. So there's that. And then after that, I created a few fall cards, and I made some little shaker cards. I don't know if you can see. I just shake. So I just cut the this leaf that says thankful. I cut it from the pattern paper, and then I cut it again using like this orange glitter paper I have in my stash, and then I just laid it over once I completed the shaker, and it just sits on top of the little plastic. So there's that. I did some stitching around the edge, used the cute little bunny. So I don't know if I think I kind of like them better like this without the little, additions to the face that I did, but I thought I would, give him some little eyes and color in his nose and stuff on this one. So that's what I did. Added a little heart that I cut out in foam as well, a little fluffy tail, and then these are just fussy cut from the paper collection, the little pumpkins, and stickled up. So there's one card, and then here's another one using pretty much the same design, same layout, everything, just a different, the other leaf that says autumn there. And then this one I did first, so I was a little bit messier with my glue, so a lot of my shaker bits are kind of stuck to the edges, and it doesn't seem as full as the other one, but I still think it turned out cute. Same thing, stitching, and added stickles to these little fussy cut pumpkins, and dressed up the little bunny the same way. So there's the cards and all the projects I created for Coco and Reno for the design team projects this month. And you can still get these dies if you subscribe before the end of the month. You'll be subscribing for the following month's set. At a really great deal. These are $12.99, I think, plus shipping. I think you can still get the set, but it goes up to, the price does go up if you don't do it by the end of the month, or if they've already started shipping out. So that's it, guys. I hope you like my projects, and let me know what you think, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Bye.